Article 12. Circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. The following are exempt from criminal liability. Number 1. An imbecile or insane person unless the latter has acted during a lucid interval. When the imbecile or insane person has committed an act which law defines as a felony delito, the court shall order his confinement in one of the hospital or asylum established for persons thus afflicted, which he shall not be permitted to leave without first obtaining the permission of the same court. Number 2, a person under 9 years of age. Number 3, a person over 9 years of age and under 15 unless he has acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of Article 80 of this code. When such minor is adjudged to be criminally irresponsible, the court, in conformity with the provision of this and the preceding paragraph, shall commit him to the care and custody of his family, who shall be charged with his surveillance and education. Otherwise, he shall be committed to the care of some institution or person mentioned in said Article 80. Number 4, any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, cause an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. Number 5, any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. Number 6, any person who acts under the impulse of an uncontrollable feel or unequal or greater injury. Number 7, any person who fails to perform an act required by law when prevented by some lawful insuperable cause. That's all.